Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off SMS delivery report in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to turn on or off SMS delivery reports, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your messages app and here just tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then go for settings. And here, if you have a single SIM, your settings will be displayed just like that. But if you have two SIMs, you'll get a setting this time. So if you have, I have dual SIM, so I'm going to select my SIM for which I want to turn on or off SMS delivery report. Just select the SIM from here, and here you'll easily get SMS delivery reports. You must have to enable that to turn it off. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it again. So that's how you can easily turn on or off SMS delivery report in any Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.